Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Temu with Cash App. Now this will be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So let's just say we were on the Temu app and we were trying to withdraw some of our affiliate money or money that we've made on Temu into our Cash App. Today we're going to be looking at if that's actually possible to do. So you might have come onto this affiliate program page and seen that you've got a bit of cash available and you wanted to withdraw it, but you can't actually see an option to withdraw it into your Cash App. As you can see, the only option on screen says withdraw via PayPal. So what this actually will mean is we can only withdraw our affiliate cash via PayPal. Unfortunately, it's not going to work with Cash App at the moment because they have not got it integrated. This may be something they add in the future if they can see that it has a lot of demand. So hopefully this is something they add because it will make it a lot easier for people trying to withdraw this money into their Cash App. Because not everyone has a PayPal, and in America Cash App is really popular, so there should be an option to withdraw into that. So the only way to get your Temu money into your Cash App is by withdrawing into your PayPal, and then from there you would have to send it from your PayPal account over into your Cash App account. And after you've done that, you will have successfully managed to send your affiliate cash from Temu over to Cash App. So that is the only way in which we're going to be able to use Temu with Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say how much this video helped you out. And also like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.